So here's my Christmas tag, especially on Christmas Day, and it's about dreams and wishes. And this is the tag. Here's the front and back. And of course there's a little Christmas surprise in here. I'll open that up, and it is an accordion style tag book, which doesn't quite fit in frame, but here we go. We'll start at the beginning. Here's a little tag. May there always be an angel by your side. And this is from the Stamperia kit called Patchwork Christmas. Chase your dreams with your own wings, it says. So I added a little tag in the pocket here, and that's got a little believe tag on it as well. As we go through, here are the highlight, the two cats. My cats certainly aren't angels, maybe one is, but definitely not the others. It does say Christmas and cats match. Both are made of pure magic. So that's what caught my eye about this kit. Here is the over here. So here's another pocket with a little tag. I just love the colors. And it's so much fun. Here's another side pocket with a little card. Happy holidays. Here's that beautiful little cat again. And back to the front. So what I like about this is that you can set it up somewhere like this and just leave it, and it becomes ornamental. Or you can, of course, if you were going to gift it, you would just tie it up. And there you go. So a little bit about making this. I've watched many YouTubes on how to make it. I use double-sided paper, and I wanted to keep both sides intact. So I decided to fortify these pages and added a little extra piece on the top of each page, front or back, depending which looked better. And I also, on one side or the other, I also fortified it at the folds. So you'll see that as well. You can see the pieces here. I just wanted to secure it a little bit more. The only sort of challenge is, sort of figuring out the orientation first. And so I did the accordion first, made the pleats, if that's what you call them, the folds, and put the pockets in. And then I added the tags on front and back. And you have to be mindful, of course, of making a hinge. So this is part of the paper, and I ended it there, and then I added some backing paper to this tag, and it's secured there. So you have to sort of pre-plan where you're going to put the hinge, because you want it to put it under the pretty paper or on top, but you want it to hide it at the side there. And then this one, the hinge is this continued piece of paper, but it's under here like that. So that's my Christmas tag. I wish you all a wonderful, happy Christmas, and going into the new year, best wishes for a good, healthy 2022. Take care. Thanks for watching.